Hello everyone, CDNet here with another update from the Avalanche ecosystem. I am actually away for the weekend, but I couldn't leave you without a video, so I am going to take you through crypto refills. But first things first, I do have to say it is very windy where I live right now, so if you do hear that and it bothers you, I do apologize. But let's get into it. So crypto refills is an app, if you will, or a service that allows you to buy gift cards with crypto. And it now works since today for Avalanche. So let's just take a look at it. As you can see, there's quite a lot of different kinds of gift cards available. I'm looking for the Netherlands, by the way. And because I want to test it, and I am actually moving soon, so I don't have to record from my kitchen anymore. I didn't buy a house with crypto, but at least I am getting an upgrade, so it does count, right? So I am gonna buy a 15 euro IKEA card because I'll probably be able to use that. This is not entirely correct. It's still in Bitcoin price. I'm just gonna shake that one around a little bit. There we go. And I only need just the one. I'm not sure if it would give you an error if you did with the Bitcoin price, but just go with USDT and then proceed to checkout. So I'm also gonna make an account so I can claim my crypto refills points. So as you can see, I have about 15 minutes left to complete my payment. Shouldn't be too difficult because Avalanche is fast enough. Does this just open MetaMask? No, okay, well that's something they can still work on. No worries, because I can just send them directly, I guess. I'm gonna send them USDT and I'm gonna send them about 18.5. Now I found this absolutely lovely lamp on IKEA, so I'm just gonna test if my coupon code would work. And yeah. Looks like it works. I do not have to pay anything anymore. I'm just gonna get a small deduction from my coupon. So it works perfectly, perfect little off-ramp for your AVAX. At least if you have something to spend it on. Definitely good utility to have. Crypto refills, try it out if you'd like. It worked quite smoothly, I must say. So I'm quite happy. And I've got my IKEA gift card. But that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good weekend. See you in the next one. And goodbye.